Hello guys! Welcome to 𝖡𝖤𝖫 channel. In this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-hide ng YouTube subscribers gamit ang iyong Android devices. First, click the YouTube icon. Click your profile. Click your channel. As you can see, meron akong 284 subscribers as of now. Dahil alam naman natin kung ipapakita natin ang ating YouTube subscribers, ang ibang tao hindi na nila papanoorin o isa-subscribe yung channel mo. So paano ba yan itatago? First, go to Chrome or Google Chrome and then search youtube.com and then click these 3 dots sa top right, then desktop site. Hanapin yung desktop site and pakilagyan ng check. Nagmumukha na siyang desktop site. And then click your profile in the upper right of your Android. And then hanapin niyo yung YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio sa pangatlo. Click mo yan. And then pagkatapos hanapin mo ang setting sa lower left ng iyong phone. Setting nasa baba. And then dito na tayo. Click channel sa pangalawa. General channel upload defaults. Click channel. And then nakita nyo basic info, advanced setting, feature eligibility sa taas. Then click advanced setting. And then makikita mo ang audience. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Auto-generated captions and subscribers count. So nakita nyo may check dahil ipinakita nila yung subscribers count mo. Pero kung kunin mo yung check, hindi na nila i-display yung subscribers count mo. So, tapos, just click save. At tadan! Na-hide na yung subscribers count mo. Let's check kung na-hide na ba. Click your profile, click your channel, and tadan! Wala na yung YouTube subscribers count mo. That's all for today's video. Sana na iintindihan nyo at may natutunan kayo sa videong to. Stay safe, God bless us all. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!